Which of the following is the correct name for BaO2? A. Barium oxide. B. Barium peroxide. C. Barium dioxide. Or D. Barium 4 oxide. To determine the name of a compound given its formula, we need to first classify the compound, then apply the rule for that type of compound. BaO2 is an ionic compound. You should know that if the name of a compound starts with the name of a metallic element, it's ionic. Cations are generally derived from atoms of metallic elements, such as barium. Based on the location of barium in the periodic table, group 2A, we know that the charge of a barium ion is +2. We also know that there are other charges observed for the barium ion, so immediately we can eliminate choice D. Choice D suggests that a barium ion has a charge of +4. IV is the Roman numeral for the number 4. The first part of the name of any ionic compound is the name of the cation. The rest of the name is dealing with the name of the anion. So let's figure out what the anion is in this case. You might instinctively say it's oxide, but it is not. A compound is electrically neutral. This means that the total charge of all the ions indicated in the formula for an ionic compound must be equal to 0. Since we have a barium ion in our formula, our total positive charge is +2. Therefore, the total negative charge must be -2. We could say that our formula has either one anion with a formula of O2 with a -2 charge, or two anions with a formula of O with a -1 charge. Neither of these are called oxide, so choice A is wrong. An oxide ion is a monatomic oxygen ion with a -2 charge. However, O2 with a -2 charge is known to exist. It's called peroxide. By now you should note that a monatomic oxygen ion with a -1 charge is not observed in nature. Therefore, the anion must be peroxide. The name of the compound is barium peroxide, and the correct answer is then B. The name of the cation is barium, and the name of the anion is peroxide.